friends. Now, West Indies has gone on a tour to Sri Lanka where they will be playing a two-match test series. And this test series is going to be part of World Test Championship, the new edition of WTC. And in the WTC, West Indies has so far played one test series, which they played against Pakistan in West Indies. And that series ended in a draw. It was 1-1. And for Sri Lanka, this is their first test series in this edition of WTC. So I'll be giving you my preview, and on the basis of my analysis, I shall be giving you my prediction about this series. First of all, let's see the schedule of this series. In this test series, the first test will be played between 21st November to 25th November. And the second test match will be from 29th November to 3rd December. And both the test matches will be played at the same venue, at the same ground of Gale in Sri Lanka. And first of all, let's see the squads of both the teams. The squad of West Indies, let's first of all see the squad of West Indies. You can see it on the screen. This is the squad of West Indies for this test series. Their captain is Craig Brathwaite, then Jermaine Blackwood, Jeremy Solizano. These are their three specialist batsmen. Then they have five all-rounders. Nkrumah Bonner, Roston Chase, Raheem Cornwall, Jason Holder, Kyle Mayers. Then they have two wicketkeeper batsmen, Joshua Da Silva, Shai Hope, and five specialist bowler, Shannon Gabriel, Vera Sammy Parmol, Kimar Roach, Jaden Seals, and Jomail Warrican. Now let's see the squad of Sri Lanka team. For Sri Lanka team, they have five specialist batsmen. Demut Karunaratne, their captain, Ushada Fernando, Patham Nisanka, Roshan Silva, Ramesh Mendes. Four all-rounders, Angelo Matthews, Dhananjaya D. Silva, Suminda Lakshan, and Charit Aslanka. Three wicketkeeper batsmen, Dinesh Chandimal, Minod Bhanuka, Kamil Mishara. And eight, in fact, 10 bowlers they have. Chamira Karunaratne, Lakshan Sandakan, Lasit Ambuldenia, Praveen Jaya Vikrama, Suranga Lakmal, Vishwa Fernando, Dushmanta Chamira, Lahiru Kumara, Asitha Fernando, and Chamika Gunasekara. So if you see in the Sri Lanka squad, first of all, one of the notable omissions is that Hasranga, their leg spinner, is not there, who was their top wicket taker in the recent T20 World Cup. But his performance in test matches has not been that good. He has played 4 test matches for Sri Lanka and he has taken only 4 test wickets. So that's why he has not been included. But the news which I have is that Hasranga is in their scheme of things, even in the test series. So maybe you might see Hasranga added in the second test match or maybe in the future. But even without Hasranga, Sri Lanka has a good spin attack. And if we compare now head-to-head records of both the teams, you would be surprised to know that West Indies has never won any test match in Sri Lanka. Forget about the test series, they haven't even won a test match in Sri Lanka. So far, they have played 11 test matches in Sri Lanka and they have lost 7 test matches and drawn 4 test matches. So their record in Sri Lanka has been really poor. And even if we look at their squads, which we just saw, West Indies squad is looking quite inexperienced. They have new players and their performance has also not been good in the recent past in this year. In the month of March this year, Sri Lanka had toured West Indies, and on that tour, they played 2 test matches and both the test matches ended in draw. Sri Lanka batsman and West Indies batsman, both of them batted well, and the series ended with the scoreline of 0-0. While in the West Indies batsmen played well, but I feel that when they are in Sri Lanka now, then West Indies batting is going to struggle because they will have to encounter spin-friendly conditions. The ground at Gale, where both the test matches will be played, that is known to favor spin bowlers, and Sri Lanka's spin bowling attack is also good. So I feel that West Indies batting is going to struggle, and even if you see that the West Indies team didn't get any practice in Sri Lanka, their practice match was washed out, and that's why they couldn't get any practice game, and their first match is going to start today. It's going to start, and that's why I feel that it will be really difficult for West Indies to win any of the match here. And even if they manage to draw, I think that will be because if they get the help of rain, only then they will manage to get a draw. Otherwise, Sri Lanka, I feel, has a clear upper hand in this series. Sri Lankan team also has been in good form. They are a strong team in their home conditions, and they showed really good form in the T20 World Cup also. And also, I would like to tell that their captain and batsman, uh, Dimut Karunaratne, he has been in really good form in the test matches in the recent past. And at this venue of Gale, where both the test matches will be played, he has again got a good record at this venue. He averages more than 50 here, and that's why I feel that he will be a big threat for West Indies. He might be the player of the series also in this match. So, comparing both the teams, what I feel is that Sri Lanka is, of course, going to win this series. That is my prediction. And I feel that Sri Lanka will win by 2-0. West Indies won't be able to get a draw unless it rains a lot. So, my prediction for this series is that Sri Lanka will win it by 2-0. So, let's see how the series goes, how the two teams perform, if any of the new players from West Indies can perform well and save their face. So let's see. Okay, friends.